Okay, guys. A lot of people love these videos from me for some reason. So here is a Uncle Cow EDC update. Uh, I did a small one not too long ago and took it down because it was pretty close to the holidays, and I knew I would get more to to add, and I didn't want to end up doing another EDC update after that. So if you by chance saw that one, there will be things in that one that are also in this one. So whatever. Um, so not too long ago, I inquired after seeing the Fat Man's video on his uh, products. I inquired about a coin pouch with Mr. Dino. Okay, because I before this, I never carried change, and Mama Uncle Cow kept saying to me, "Well, you should really carry some change along with you." And I said, "Oh yeah, okay," and just kind of forgot about it. I saw the Fat Man's video on the stuff he got from Dino and inquired about a coin pouch and inquired about the pricing, and he sent this to me for at no charge. So guys, if you're in the market for a good sheath or coin pouch or what, something like that, please give Dino your business. Uh, kind of want to pay him back for sending this to me. As you can see, it has JG to represent my initials. Sorry about my fingernails. It comes from pushing a chair all day. Okay, so got a way to carry change now. Cool. Okay, so that usually rides on top of the wallet. Okay, and to add to my big folder rotation, Mama and Papa Uncle Cow totally surprised me with this one. This is the Cold Steel Code 4 clip point. Not going to extend it all the way because still working out the lock bar. From what I can tell, a really great knife. Yeah, if you've never had a cold steel before or a cold steel folder, the triad lock, once you get it, it's really stiff, so you end up having to work it out for like at least 3 weeks. So still working that out. Carried it once, love it so far. Okay. Last month I had some extra money and also another YouTube subscriber, Chad Collins, Newbie Survivor. I asked where he got one of these gear clips, because I figured it'd be very wheelchair friendly. And he sent me one at no charge. So far, these things have been working out great. I have one S-beaner, and I'm using the little carabiner that was on that little flashlight that he sent with it. Also, I'm gonna get another S-beaner to replace that because it's a little bit more secure. So last month had a little bit extra money, so I got the Leatherman PS4 Squirt. Excellent tool, and I kind of stole the idea of pairing a multi-tool with a pry bar. So for the holidays, Mom got me a Leatherman bruiser, and so far, excellent tool. You guys have seen these. So pairing this, I got a good pry bar and a good multi-tool. That the multi-tool is in rotation with my Swiss Army knives I have, and the pry bar stays on there for now. I'm gonna get more pry bars eventually, just for, you know, just for fun. So yeah, that's the update to my EDC rotation. Carrying a gear clip for the and a pry bar with the multi-tool, and the add-on of the Cold Steel Code 4 in my big blade rotation, as I like to use the Knife Tech's gear setup. It's been working out really well. I like having a multi-tool and a good large folder on me. It's real handy. Okay guys, so that's a EDC update. If you want to know more about the stuff I mentioned, ask, I'll know. I'll either do a video on it or write you back. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Just, you know, sorry, had something on my face, and I always keep a towel on my lap just to catch crumbs and whatnot. Oh, speaking of carrying something, I've had this for a while, but I've been in the house. I've been carrying my Leatherman Wingman, just for if I need a quick knife, scissors, or even pliers are needed, so I don't have to go searching for pliers. So in the house, I've been carrying my Wingman. Okay, really handy. Okay. Yeah, that's about it, guys. That's the EDC update. Let me know what you think. Yes, still have the Buck 110, the Spyderco Tenacious, the Sog Rescue, Sogzilla, and the Pioneer, and the Cadet are all still in the rotation. Don't always carry a flashlight, but flashlights, EDC flashlights are available if needed. I'm gonna do a video on my storage unit, or storage tray, one of these days. If you guys really want to see it, let me know, and I'll try to do a video on it with my iPad. Yeah, just wrote out a thank you letter to my grandfather. Sent me a nice check for the holidays, so did that on Dragon Dictation. So that's done. And people have been asking for it, so I thought I'd do an easy update. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Give me those self-defense video ideas. I'm kind of hit one of those video makers blocks again. So let me know, guys. If you want me to review something, let me know, and we'll either work it out or I'll do a video on it if I have it. If you want to help me out, click the Help Uncle Cow button on my channel. It's greatly appreciated. And like I always say, be safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do.